Today's video is pretty simple. I'm unboxing this satellite phone by Inmarsat. It is the IsatPhone 2, the BlueCosmo, with the BlueCosmo $100 card in it. And let's just check out how you set it up, what is included, and yeah. Let's look at everything. It's going to be very impromptu, but very in-depth, I believe, and really give you an idea of what you get when you purchase a phone like this. So right off the bat, I've got a really good get started kind of kit or kind of manual that lets you know exactly what to do with all of these pieces, because you'll see there's quite a bit in this box. You get a lot. Now, the first thing that I want you to notice is I'm going to open it this way because there's some information on here. This is the SIM card that comes with the phone. So the SIM card is on here, and I've got units already prepaid. So it is a prepaid SIM card that I can actually just start installing in my satellite phone, and away I go. So this you do not want to lose, do not want to throw away when you open your box. So that's going to be very important. And then you have the phone itself. This is how we've seen in movies and in TV shows. This is the sat phone, the classic shape of a sat phone with that big antenna. This will work worldwide, anywhere, signal or no signal. You are connected through satellite, which is great. So there's no worries there. It even does GPS location and SOS alert buttons as well. So that is really cool. So right out of the box, you need to plug in that battery. So let's put that battery in, and the battery is right here. We've got a lithium-ion battery, and we're going to put in the battery just like that. So we just align those little things, and of course, this is where the SIM card is going to go. So we're going to be installing that SIM card later, but just to give you an idea, this is where the SIM card would actually go, right under the battery, right? So we're going to plug it in, and it's in. It's a really nice and rugged phone. I love that. I love that there's a rubberized kind of contour around it that makes it very easy to hold and extremely sturdy. Love that. So let's move on to the inside here. Lots to talk about here. So, and there's another thing here. I'm going to take off that little nice plastic on the display, because you've got that screen display. We're going to take that plastic off just like that. And let's see if there's even a juice. Let's see how you turn this puppy on. We're going to see if there's any juice on this. So yeah, the battery has power, and it's actually powering right now. And as you can see, hopefully you can see that. And then it just tells me insert SIM and gives me a little notification that the battery is about 3/4 left, which is nice to know. You've got some battery right out of the box. So I'm going to turn it off again, press and hold the power button, and Inmarsat logo shows up again, and it's about to shut off. And there we go, it has shut off. So let's take everything out of the box, and we'll go one by one with everything that is included. And I'm telling you, it's a lot, which is really nice. So let's go like that. Now the box is empty. Let's put that on the side just like this. Let's just give it a nice little propped up display like this. So let's talk about everything that I have here. So first off, we do have a holster. So that's a pretty cool thing. Holster for your belt, a holster obviously for the phone. The phone itself will actually fit just like that. And let me just fit it. Let's see if it actually, see how easy it is to actually fit. Let me see. So yeah, that's rubberized, and that stays in like that. And we put in the phone just like this, yeah. So would it go like that? No, it's going to go like this. And like so. Oh, there it is. Now I see. So the holster, it's upside down, right? So when you have the holster with the logo like this, you actually put in your phone upside down with the antenna up like that. And then you just push down and it fits perfectly. So when you pull it up, you will hang. It's actually a really nice little package. It fits, it's perfect. So that's a really nice thing. And of course, to go with the holster, You will have that little belt clip, so clip that will clip on a bag, on a belt, on pretty much anything. It's a nice little grippy clip, and once it's clipped, it's got that little indentation, which means it's not going to slip out. And then I assume that this is just going to, there you go, and it also rotate 360, and really you need to press on this to release, or you just take your phone out while still clipped and onto your holster. So that's a really nice nice trick. Love that. Really great if you're hiking, if you're out and about. Obviously, you are going to be in remote locations if you're going to be using a sat phone. So that's a great plus right there. Let's see everything else that comes with it. It's exciting. All right, let me just rip these bags up. You've got a USB mini to USB-A. That's for your charging, I'm assuming, but we'll get back to that for sure. We have, because it's a sat phone, we have a lot of different plugs in or different adapters, and I'll show you every single adapter that you actually get with this, because it's quite a lot. It is universal after all. You do have you have European, Australian, South American. Of course, you've got the classic North American as well, and the slanted, I forget which one this is, but you've got all four. This will get you charging your sat phone anywhere around the world, which is a fantastic thing. And how do you charge it? You've got here the charging USB micro, I believe that's USB mini. USB mini right here to this little prong, and of course you will be attaching this. So I'm here in North America, so I'm just going to be trying this on. Let's see how that works. Let's see how that works. It goes this way. We're going to figure it out together because I like figure. Ah, there you go. So you just slip it in and then lock it in, and now it is right there and locked. And you've got that little press button right here. If I press it, I will unlock it and basically be able to go on to the next. So if I want to do the next one, I would just go like that and clip it, and I'm ready to go in another country, another zone, right? Fantastic. So that's great. We've got universal charging for your phone. Fantastic. Now, another little add-on, and that's great that they do this because you might, again, remote locations, not necessarily in your hotel, in your home, or in a place where you can actually plug into a wall, but maybe you have a 12-volt adapter or those cigarette lighters in a vehicle, and then you can charge your phone with this USB, again, USB mini, to that 12-volt adapter, and just plug that in and charge your phone. So that's a fantastic thing. So that's another part. And then the last thing, but not the least, we do have headphone. So this is one headphone, one side with a clip and a 3.5 millimeter end. And I want to see where that actually hooks up to your phone. Let's figure out how do we get the phone out of here. Here you go. I want to see where that USB-C, there you go. So USB micro mini will be plugged in right there to charge your phone, of course. And then this little thing will actually plug right here. And we're going to untangle this because this was actually well wired and put together there. So let's do this. So now I can actually wear this, clip it on my shirt, for example, and still have this in my holster while I'm making a call, because this is a microphone right here, and of course an earbud right there. So if you want to be hands-free and have your phone maybe tucked away in your bag or just secured on your holster on your person, you can do that as well. So that's a really cool thing. And yeah, SIM card inside included, depending on the package that you get. I got the $100 SIM card prepaid package, and then they explain, as you open it up, they explain to you the steps, what you need to punch in once that SIM card is in, what you need to actually, what number you need to call to activate it. Once you're activated, you are good to go. This thing is awesome, super rugged. It's able to do, like I said, GPS. It is weatherproof. It is dustproof. It is sandproof. It is resistant like you have no idea. And if you ever are thinking that you might be in a bind and your cell phone's not going to work, definitely put your trust into a Inmarsat BlueCosmo satellite phone like this one. This is, I mean, and it's so tiny too. It's so tiny for the kind of power, the kind of networking power that you are able to get right out of your holster or pocket. This thing is fantastic. Hope you enjoyed.